What's going on, guys? So today I'm gonna take my truck to fix the exhaust. I'm gonna take off the muffler. I'm gonna take them off and I'm gonna just do like, I guess, straight pipe all the way back. But right now I'm gonna go to my homeboy Carlos. He knows how to weld, and I'm gonna get that new exhaust. I guess it's new because it's gonna be, I don't know if it's gonna be a little more quiet or a little louder, but we'll see when we get over there, because right now the truck is pretty loud and it's been sitting for like a week. I think I haven't moved it for a while, so let's see how it sounds. But like I said, I'm gonna head over there to Carlos' house. First, I'm gonna go pick up my homeboy German, and then from there, I'm gonna go to Carlos. Tell him where we're going. Tell him.
Take this muffler. No, put the muffler back on.
No muffler. All right, so I picked up German already, and I'm on my way to homeboy Carlos. Why are you laughing?
I thought you were gonna make it quieter, bro. You're fucking dumb.
I'll think about it.
Literally, you should go fucking quieter with it.
I'll think about it. So now that I'm thinking about it, the truck might get a little louder because now it's gonna be straight piped out instead of just like a dump down.
Back if you think you should fix the AC mejor.
Funny guy today. Alright guys, so I just got to Carlos' house and we're about to put the exhaust on. These two right here. And I just put the truck up here right now. I know, I saw. There's two colors because someone crashed my old bed. Now it's red and blue. That's why it's called Spidey. Spider-Man. Así le puso German. Damn, I got the tacuache drop right now.
For real, arriba del frente.
For real, look. The Cali lean. But hell no. This shit looks really bad right now. I know. Man, I'll show you guys the process in a bit once he starts, because this nigga's kind of slow. I don't know. Ya está, se metió el sol, mira. De llantas tiene drop. So right now I'm gonna show you before and after. This is before we put those straight pipes, and we'll see how loud it is. Hopefully. So right now it's pretty loud, and I just got some new neighbors. Hopefully it gets louder. Nah, but I think it's gonna get a little more quiet. If not, I'll just do a whole new exhaust.
And guess who's his new neighbor? Me.
Fuck this nigga. Alright, I'll show you guys the process of Carlos welds. And
shout out.
we'll see. Shout out to Carlos. Dale to shop address.
501-9039.
Es un fuego. Ahí está, shop number.
Shop number. Blow that out.
Alright guys, so yo andaba ahí ayudándole a Carlos, era como un welder que soy. I forgot the pipe was high. I don't know if you guys can see. I burn all my fingertips, especially this one. I burned my fingertips. Yeah, damn, that shit hurt. I'll tell you that shit was hot. Yeah, I burned myself fucking bad. I don't even want to be with Carlos no more. If I touch that pipe right there, the one on the left. Alright guys, so we just finished up with one pipe.
With this one,
it's already on there. Let's see this one. Welded that other pipe right there. It's pretty good. Cause it's not, the gap is pretty good because it's not hitting. Just so when the exhaust moves, it won't touch the bed, so it won't melt it or nothing. And right now we're just gonna install the other pipe. We're about to cut the other piece.
Falta esa pipe.
Oh my god, bro.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on, boy. You get your goddamn ugly ass.
Yo le enseñé. Ah, perro. Mira más.
I guess he's about to weld, so. Alright, guys, cover your eyes because you're about to weld.
So right now he's just welding the bracket, and after this it'll be done. Probably take off the jack and then we'll see how it sounds. Alright guys, so we just got done with the exhaust. Right now German's about to turn it on, see how it sounds. They're in there, you had them?
Yeah.
See how it sounds. Got a little louder. Got a little louder, right? Yeah. Alright, so I'm driving it now, and the truck is not as loud as it used to inside the cabin. Like, it's more quiet here. You hear the drone more outside on the passenger side, so it did get a little more quiet inside, but outside it got way more louder. Alright guys, so it already got dark outside, but there's a truck right now. I'm at my friend's house, and right now I'm gonna just go home. I'm gonna call it a day already, but that's gonna be it for today's vlog. I got the exhaust done. Truck is right there. You can kind of see the Spider-Man truck. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today, guys. So I'll just see you guys on the next one.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man?